In this video, I'll show you how to change battery in Nationwide card reader. Firstly, turn the card reader upside down to find the battery compartment at the bottom. Use a pen or a similar tool to push down the catch on the back and, while holding down the catch, gently slide out the battery drawer. Take out the two old batteries carefully and dispose them properly according to local battery disposal guidelines. Now place the new CR2032 batteries into the compartment and ensure that the positive side is facing up as you insert them. Slide the battery compartment back into place until it clicks securely. Now, turn on your card reader to check if it is working properly. If the card reader does not turn on, double check the battery alignment. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.